Just think about it. When a child is born, they are told to study now because life is later. They will have to spend almost 20 years to complete schooling and college. Why should anyone spend one third of life just to prepare for it? And during those years, what we learn? We learn about mathematics. We learn about history, that is very important in our syllabus. We learn about scientific theories. We learn about definitions. And the very important, we will have to memorize each and everything just to pass exam. Else you are failure. We don't learn about how money works, how to tackle with failures, which is part of our life. But during schooling and college life, once you are fail, you are gone. You are tagged as failure. But in real life, the context is exactly opposite. From failure, we learn. Failure makes us learn about how the life actually works. We don't learn about how money works, how to tackle with real life problem, how to tackle with failures, how to make decisions, and how to build something of our own. We as a children learn to pass exam, not to solve the real life problem. And this is the truth. At the age of 5, our children have so many curiosities, so much questions, like why in everything. They ask like, why the sky blue? Why do we have to work? There are hundred of questions. Our children have hundred of questions. Every week and every moment, they ask why in everything. And frankly, we don't have answer for many of those questions. So, what we do? We try to manipulate them. And what it does? Slowly and gradually, our children's curiosity get replaced by memorization. You can remember even your childhood and your teenage. You, the person, you are asking hundred of questions every weeks and every days. But now, the only question you ask, will this come in exam? We forget to question. We forget to ask question. Slowly, we become part of the system that let us forget the word why. We just ask, will this come in exam? Because we have to pass exam. The priority is we'll have to pass the exam. When we enter real life, life does not ask about define this, write the answer in 5 points. Life does not ask about this. Life asks about how to earn money, how to manage risk, how to tackle failures, and how to create opportunity of our own. During those years, we were taught just to pass exam, not to solve the real life problem. Education is not a problem. Education is powerful. The problem is system, how it is designed. It is designed to just prepare for 20 to 25 years, and then suddenly your life again begins from zero. There is no transition, no work exposure, no real life learning. And you must feel at the age of 25 or 30, you will have to realize that we have wasted most of our time. We could have utilized it a better way. We could have learned something during those years, something that helps us to live the real life, to tackle with the current problem, to create something of our own, how to build something, how to build businesses, how to manage risk, how to earn money. These are not taught during those years. We start to learn at the age of 25, and there is so much gap. So what is the question, and what should change? The question is, there should be some linkage between education and life. Education should not be treated as different activity. Education is part of our life, and life should be part of education. Like whatever the skills we need in real life should be given from the very beginning, that is from during our schooling days only. We must learn about money, we must learn about failure, we must learn about decision making, we must learn about opportunity, and we must learn about emotion management. Imagine a system where at the age of 8 years they are getting some kind of real life activities. At the age of 12 they are starting some intensive activity. There should be some real life activity training, intensive business skills transformation to the children. These all will work as a bridge between real life and education. When our children start their life at the age of 25, they should not feel like they are just starting something else than their schooling. They should feel like they are resuming their life post education, and that is very important in our life. And for the nation itself, if the system works like this, so many things will get changed in a very positive way. We will not ask question like will this come in exam. We should ask question like will this come in our real life or not. So let's hope. Thank you so much. This is CA Umesh. Thank you.